Good morning, student. Welcome to all Sharda Goddess School online classes. Today we will start class 6 English grammar, first chapter, noun and its kind. First of all, we know about what is noun. Noun is the name of person, place or thing. For example, like Delhi, Agra, Kolkata, Ram, book, table, cat, dog, etc. And its kinds. Noun has four kinds: proper noun, common noun, and collective nouns. Collective noun and material noun. And material noun. In proper noun, names of particular person, place, animals or things are called proper noun. It means there is a particular name, place or person, things. Like for example, Ranchi, Ram, Delhi, Gita are called proper noun. It means a particular name, place or things are called proper noun. Second one is common noun. Common noun means a name of any person, place or animals or things in general way. Like dog, it means whole dog, means table means all table, books means all books. In the whole sense we can say that whole things are in a general way called common noun. For example, books, dogs, school, etc. All these are called common noun. And third one is collective noun. Collective nouns refers to the group of people. It means collection of the things, animals, person are called, places are called collective nouns. It means collection of anything is called collective nouns. For example, swarm of bees, swarm of bees, flock of birds, flocks of bird, fleet of ships, fleet of ships, it means swarm of bees means it means collection of bees, flocks of birds it means collection of birds, fleet of ships it means collections of ships. In the general way we can say that the collection of anything, place, person, animals are called collective nouns. And fourth one is material noun. Material nouns are those nouns which have substances from different things are made up of, like gold, sand, water, oil is called material nouns. It means all the material things are come together in the form of material noun. For example, sugar, gold, butter, water. These all are comes in the category of material noun. So student, first of all we know about the nouns. Noun is the name of person, of place, person or things, like Ram, Delhi, Gita, Sita, books, dogs, school, and its kinds. There are 4 kinds: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and material noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is the name of person, place, any particular person, place or thing. It means particular things. In common, all general things, place, person all come in this category, common noun. Collection, it means collective noun, it means collection of things, place, person are come to collective noun. And material noun, in material noun comes all those material substance which we can use in our daily life for purpose. That is material noun. Material noun, it means substance come in this category. Substance come in this category in materials noun. So student, today we will study noun and its kind. So we have given exercise in the books. You all fill this exercise. I am also providing you answers. Let us remember, like exercise, fill in the nouns forms of the words provided in the bracket. You all do this exercise in book. Second one is C. Second one is B. Relate the concrete nouns in the first column with the abstract noun in the second. One has been done for you. And third one is the pick out the countable and uncountable nouns of the sentence given below. So student, you all safe, stay home. Thank you.